Hi friends! I am so excited to share with you about our upcoming free 100 Veggie Challenge. You may count your steps or how many cups of water you drink, but have you ever counted how many vegetables you eat in a day? For the month of March, we are kicking off a free 100 Veggie Challenge to encourage and inspire the intake of more veggies. So you may be asking, why 100 vegetables? The USDA recommends consuming 2.5 cups of vegetables per day, which equates to roughly 78 cups per month. So this number was our foundational inspiration when forming a number to aim for in a month. And to round it out, we bumped it up to 100. However, instead of measuring your serving sizes of vegetables at each meal or snack, which can be kind of tedious and not always realistic, we wanted to keep this challenge as simple and fun as possible. So instead, our goal is for you to not stress so much about the amounts, but instead find fun new ways to add a variety of vegetables into your meals and snacks every day and aim for 100 veggies in a month. For example, if you make a smoothie for breakfast and you add in a handful of spinach, that counts as one veggie. If you make soup for lunch and it contains celery, carrots, potatoes, and kale, that counts as 4 vegetables, and so on. To keep track of your veggie intake, we created this really fun and free veggie tracker. You can print and keep it on your fridge or at work, and every time you eat a veggie, check that list. If you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure to check out the link below in the video description box to head to our blog where you can get more veggie-inspired recipes and also print out your free tracker. And if you're watching this video on Instagram, check out the link in bio to get your free tracker as well. Setting goals and crushing those goals is much more fun with friends, so invite your friends to join you on the 100 Veggie Challenge and make sure that you tag me in your veggie creations on Instagram at Healthy Grocery Girl. So are you in? Because I am, and I'm so excited. We're starting on March 1st. Let me know if you have any questions, and I cannot wait to connect with you online, so make sure you tag me at Healthy Grocery Girl and hashtag HGG100Veggies, and I can follow your journey and your veggie creations. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'm so excited to cheer you on and go on this journey with you to enjoy 100 vegetables within the month.